welcome to my vlog. Sorry that I forgot to say that. And we're at the water park. I'm so excited to get in the pool. And my mommy's gonna be scared again to the big slide. He's gonna come with me. He's gonna be That makes me funny when we are in Hawaii. Oh, and so exciting! So big when we got.
Yan. That's funny, Dada. Thank you.
Guys.
Thanks. Oh, happy face.
And you want to see my bedroom? My cruise is here too. So this is Queer sleep down here, and I sleep up there and watch videos. No one can boss me. Oh, Mom, what does it say? Wally Stan. And these are just like so pretty. And look at this camping. And my dad is sitting on the couch, just so pretty. And this is my mommy's bed and my daddy's. And do you want to check up the top? So that my queen's sleeping right there. Let me get up here. Oh my goodness, so hard. Yeah. Guys, I think I have to pause the video. Wait, here, so special. Kuya, is it okay down there?
Yeah.
And this is my mommy. Look at the flashlight. So pretty. Oh no, not pretty. Look at the Paris. Hello Paris, what is your name? Tweet Tweet. Oh, your name is Tweet Tweet. That's nice. Are you hanging up in the tree? Tweet Tweet. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, I'll go with you. Can we go or no? go, go.
Wait.
Hold on, wait.
Just wait.
Just wait.
Okay, go ahead.
No.
You got another one. You have plenty of time.
It's okay, practice.
It's your first. Wait.
Wait.
Go. You gotta put it in the middle.
In the middle.
Next time.
Okay, one more.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Faster. You gotta go
Faster,
faster.
go. Practice. It's a girl.
You're madam.
Hot pepperoni. Where's my salad, guys? Thank you.
Here's your salad this week. Try to be patient, little girl. We'll see.
No,
Oh,
Daddy
my
wants salad. And my chicken nuggets. So you have a container. You have a container and you can get anything, any candies you want. Only there, okay? Okay, which one do you want?
Let me pick.
Okay.
Get little by little, okay? I can't. Ano ba naman? I can't practice it. Okay, go. Little by little, so you will have a lot. Okay, it's okay. Not too much. Okay. Oh, little by little. Okay. Oh, that's it. Now. Oh, boy. Falling from the sky. It's been a tiring day for me. So I'm going to take a nap now. I have my iPad right here. The iPad. So no one can boss me around watching my iPad. So my brother's down here. Kuya, are you okay down there again?